One beat maker, the hit maker, the hit maker.
We're sorry. Your call cannot be completed as dialed. Please check the number and dial again.
Hit that bitch with that dial tone, no answer. Hit that bitch with that dial tone, no answer. Hit that bitch with that dial tone, no answer.
Smoking on medicinal like I got cancer.
Hit that bitch with the dial tone, no answer. Hit that bitch with the dial tone, no answer. Hit that bitch with the dial tone, no answer.
Smoking on medicinal like I got cancer.
Leave a message, I'll get back to you. Owing for the favor, I'll get back to you. She know that I'm a player, consequently came up short because I does this shit for sport. So come up out them shorts, she ready to go when I get run. She pleased with the sound of us humping rambunctious. While she dodging and ducking, oh she wasn't, she was in that dungeon I visited, docking shots like a savage, letting every nigga have it. This bitch is shot like a pistol, but I bet you she get her issue. Wipe it down with clean tissue, just to make it official. And when we done, we get blunted. She say she love to just run in to me on the streets, sweep her off of her feet. Fuck the meet and greet, she bout to beat my meat. Victory in the sheets, that's what I call a defeat. She say I'm something delectable, better yet just incredible. What's your name, my friend? Let me lock you in my schedule. Heterosexual, insert my ding dong and I'm King Kong. Cause I'm more along, she's going dumb to my song. It's going on to the break of dawn. A king become, whichever one comes first. Put the pussy in hers, overkill and murder first. Yeah.
Hit that bitch with the dial tone, no answer. Hit that bitch with the dial tone, no answer. Hit that bitch with the dial tone, no answer.
Smoking on medicinal like I got cancer.
Reeboks, I'm classic. Old school like Sanford. Sunny niggas, I'm daddy. Dumb bras get the mattress. Some bras be average. To do so while we dancing. When they call your shit, don't panic. My gun don't jam six. Dopest nigga on this planet. Can't scare my palace. Lost my mind like Alice. I'm pushing T like Malice. My metro don't black out. She text me, then we smash out. I came and blew her back out. Mopping like a crack house. Sun color as success. Touch screen, that's swipe shit. Smart plan unlimited. Yo, text no, I ain't get it yet. They stole my swag, left silhouette. Smoking on my cigarette. I'm all about my dividends. You lying in the evident. Wi-Fi, no sci-fi. Sky high, low white eyes. My ride fly like G5s. Running these chickens like suicide. Kiss time, straight Popeyes. Airplane mode, voyage. Bye-bye, no sci-high. I'm a prince and a king and a fly guy.
Hit that bitch with the dial tone, no answer. Hit that bitch with the dial tone, no answer. Hit that bitch with the dial tone, no answer.
Smoking on medicinal like I got cancer.
You can smell when I'm smoking on this something strong. Leave her with that dial tone, cause I'm past the ozone layer. She asked me when I'm coming back to earth, I said later. I'm rolling up this pain reliever, you could call it Bayer. Fuck a hater, keep a player, I'm a paper chaser. I don't have to play it, hit my folks, they come spray it. No Decatur, East Coast, it's the Bay, bruh. I'm just saying what's up to my real picture framers. No cool clutch, but these lyrics hang ya. You a stranger, not the same breed, we dangerous. First degree of beat, but you can't blame us. Lyrical heat, mouth full of stainless. Cheat codes and passwords, yeah we gamed up. Lame fucks every day on that same stuff. We stay amplified, amped up, I just can't deny. Don't need you, them skis, and you get the truth mixed up with lies. Hit that bitch with the dial tone, no answer.
Smoking on medicinal like I got cancer.
Please check the number and dial again.